said screw it. We're doing a little bit of work today. Went in there, took a shower, let my phone charge up for a second. It only got up 5%. That's alright. We got a knife. Probably not the sharpest. I ain't got a razor blade right now. We're gonna start taking this carpet out and see what this wood is looking like. I don't think I'm gonna be a little happy. I don't think I'm gonna be happy at all with this, so. Shit, let's just get started. Yeet! Gotta get new wood for this. I taped my phone to the tripod with tape, so. Don't know what that is. Yeet. It's pretty bad. About to cut some of that out real quick. Really quick. Well, I don't know if I'll do C deck on this, on my top deck, where I'm gonna be fishing off of. I don't know if I'll do C deck yet. If I do C deck, don't need a template. Even if I do carpet, I don't need one, because you can do sections at a time. You don't have to do all at once. You can do section at a time. Say you want to do this section right here. Right there. Oh shit. Right there. This whole front section. Cut it out. Put your new section in. But make it fit the top part. And you can do whatever with, you know, start and then end it about right here. Shit, I need my GoPro. It's a little rotted. All that needs to be reupholstered. So carpet on that. Get some plywood, put it on there, around this. Coils in the motor. And I think it should be good to go. Oh, actually, you know what? Instead of recarpeting and all that, I might make a deck so I can bass fish off of it. So it can be a ski boat slash bass fishing boat. Because it's what we doing on it. Fishing and skiing. See you guys tomorrow. That's rotten too. Yeet. Yeah. Alright guys, so we got the good camera back. Went and picked it up today. Looks like I don't have much storage on this SD card, so I'm gonna go through and see the scrap footage that I don't need. Delete it and I'll be right back. Alright, so before we had, what, 11 minutes left on the SD card. And now it's 3 hours and 8 minutes. 3 hours and 8 minutes. So I guess we're good. So let's show you what we're gonna do today. Oh yeah, y'all didn't get that good of a view of the boat last time. So I'm gonna give you a good walk around. So yeah, I ripped that carpet out yesterday. I don't know if I'll put that footage in here or not because I used my phone. So now what we need to do is vacuum all this up right here and assess the damage, because to me it only has weak spots up here in the front, you know, right here, down there. Back here there's like 0 weak spots. So what I might do to save some money is keep this back half same color carpet, try to get some more carpet the same color, but new, and carpet from this up. But what I'm thinking about doing right here, see right here, all this is supposed to have cushions all the way around it and seats. I want to be able to fish off this boat, and I want to be able to ski, because that's what it is, a ski boat. So I'm going to do a deck right here for bass fishing. Somehow figure out how to mount a trolling motor. And then back there, you know, just it's the party side of the boat. It's the party side. So I guess I'm gonna set you up. Let's go get the extension cord. Got the vacuum right there. I guess we'll get to work. I say after we get this done, clean it all out, vacuum it. We'll take the pressure washer to it, or maybe hand wash it. I don't know yet. That screw can go. I might have needed that. So yeah, I guess let's get to vacuuming. There she goes. So with this right here, I'll just put a piece of plywood over that, make a deck. I think it'll be alright as long as these corners stay solid. They're pretty solid. I think it might be alright. So yeah, I guess let's keep vacuuming. So, got most of the carpet clean. I'm gonna get down here to the flannel, or whatever it's called. Oh, I'm not sure that's good. Is that wood? Yeah. It's not real weak next to the mountains, but I think I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm sweating, I'm hot. I'm calling it a day. I'll see y'all tomorrow. It's the next day. We're back on this boat. Before I go out and buy, I gotta buy one, but I don't know if I have to buy two. So I'm gonna go see if this thing is getting any kind of fire real quick. It's not gonna crank on one, cool, but it might with starting fluid. We'll find out. We'll record with my phone and see if it sparks. Oh shit. Let's see. Damn it, I can't tell. I'm gonna grab Taylor, see if she'll turn the key over. So we'll be right back. Well guys, no luck. This actually is bad. It does not work. So I've got to buy 2 of them. That's $400 for 2 of these. I'm gonna keep the boat restoration going. So whenever I can afford these, I'm gonna get them. See if that motor runs, get a prop for it, and go from there. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well guys, I guess that's gonna be it for part 2. Let me know down in the comments how you're liking this series. Like I said in the last clip, it's $400 for 2 of those cools. That's a lot of money. For me at least. So for me at least, that's a lot of money. If you want to go buy a t-shirt, a mug, anything on the link below, or just donate to my Cash App. I'm not asking y'all, I'm not begging y'all, y'all can do whatever. But if you want to keep this boat series going, if you want the video to come out a little quicker, donate if you want. You don't have to, but I'm gonna get them anyway. Don't know when yet. This boat's gonna be on the water soon, hopefully by fall. I don't know. It's probably gonna be a winter project. There's probably gonna be at least 10 parts to this series. So make sure you leave a like, you comment, subscribe. Don't forget about the giveaway. There's a $500 giveaway at when I hit 10,000 subscribers. All you gotta do is like this video, subscribe, comment twice, or whatever, it doesn't matter. You can comment once or twice. More times you comment, the higher chance you are at winning. So anyway, we're gonna see you on the next video. I got something real cool planned for you. I don't know if it's gonna come out right after this one. I don't know yet. I'm kind of just putting videos out there whenever, or maybe this will come out next week. I don't know. We'll see. But y'all guys, I guess this is the end of restoring a Bayliner, 1985 Bayliner, part 2. See you in part 3.